Solar-powered security cameras are essential for continuous, eco-friendly surveillance without wiring, ensuring reliable monitoring in remote or off-grid areas. My today's video is about top 5 best solar security camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wyze Solar Security Camera. This solar-powered security camera offers a truly maintenance-free, wire-free solution for home surveillance, harnessing high-efficiency solar energy to stay powered with just 1 hour of sunlight daily. Its 2K resolution ensures crystal-clear footage, while full-color night vision captures vivid details even in low-light conditions. The 360 degrees pan and 70 degrees tilt, combined with AI-powered tracking, provide comprehensive coverage, automatically detecting and following people while minimizing false alerts. Enhanced security features include a motion-activated spotlight and a 105 dB siren, deterring intruders effectively. Installation is effortless with a DIY snap-in design and Bluetooth quick setup, avoiding complicated QR code pairing. Flexible storage options allow microSD cards up to 512 GB for local recording, with optional cloud storage available. Smart AI notifications with descriptive alerts keep you informed about people, pets, packages, or vehicles, customizable for precise monitoring. Combining advanced AI, solar energy, and robust security features, this camera is a reliable, eco-friendly, and convenient solution for continuous, professional-grade home surveillance. Now our second product is Tapo Solar Security Camera. The Tapo SolarCam C402 KIT redefines outdoor security with its solar-powered, maintenance-free design. Its modular solar panel continuously charges the built-in battery, delivering up to 180 days of uninterrupted operation even during cloudy periods, providing true zero-touch reliability. Wire-free installation allows placement anywhere without outlet restrictions, making it ideal for flexible home or property monitoring. The camera prioritizes important events with customizable activity zones and intelligent person/motion detection, reducing false alerts and ensuring you are notified only of real security concerns. Equipped with full-color 1080p resolution and built-in spotlights, it captures crisp, vibrant footage day and night, with clear night vision up to 30 feet. Storage is versatile, supporting local microSD cards up to 512 GB or optional TapoCare cloud storage. Privacy and security are built in, with encrypted video, two-factor authentication, and comprehensive data protection measures. The Tapo SolarCam C402 KIT combines smart AI monitoring, renewable energy, and robust security for reliable, eco-friendly home surveillance. Our third product is Limal Solar Security Camera. The 2K 360 degrees solar security camera delivers exceptional outdoor surveillance with a complete, blind spot-free view. Its 2K resolution combined with 355 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt ensures crisp detail capture, including faces and license plates, while 33-foot color night vision with an integrated spotlight provides vibrant footage even in darkness. Powered by a 3.2W solar panel and a 5,200 mAh battery, it offers up to 6 months of standby time, and its IP65 rated design withstands extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Smart 10-level PIR motion detection reduces false alerts from wind or vegetation, while optional AI recognition distinguishes people, vehicles, pets, and packages with up to 98% accuracy. Built-in two-way audio allows real-time communication, and motion-triggered spotlight and siren deter intruders effectively. Flexible storage options include microSD cards up to 256 GB or optional cloud storage. With wireless, all-in-one installation requiring no additional wiring, this camera is ideal for effortless, reliable home security and family protection. Now number 4, Eosu Solar Security Camera. The Eosu solar-powered security camera offers a perfect blend of convenience, performance, and eco-friendly design. Its simple installation is guided through an intuitive app and detailed manual, allowing you to set up the fixed solar panel and camera quickly without complicated wiring, making it a truly permanent solution. The 360-degree pan-tilt zoom functionality ensures full coverage, and the upgraded 2K resolution captures crisp, detailed footage both day and night, providing reliable surveillance for your entire property. Smart human motion tracking automatically follows detected movement, recording detailed events and reducing false alerts, giving peace of mind. Powered entirely by sunlight, the camera requires no battery replacements, delivering continuous, year-round surveillance while being environmentally friendly. IP65 weatherproof construction ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. Additional features include smart alerts, dual storage options, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant. Backed by lifetime technical support and a 1-year replacement guarantee, the AOSU camera is a high-quality, reliable solution for modern home security. And our last choice is Z-Port Security Solar Security Camera. The Fondale 2K solar-powered wireless security camera combines advanced technology with elegant design to deliver reliable home surveillance. With a resolution of 2304 by 1296 pixels, it provides 4 times the clarity of 1080p, capturing ultra-sharp images and live video. Its 355 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical rotation ensures complete coverage, while advanced color night vision delivers vivid, true-to-life colors even in low-light conditions. Powered by a 2W solar panel and rechargeable battery, the camera offers wire-free, year-round operation, and its IP65 waterproof rating guarantees durability in rain, snow, or harsh outdoor conditions. The stylish design, reminiscent of an Italian table lamp, doubles as decorative home decor. AI-powered PIR motion detection distinguishes people, vehicles, pets, and packages, sending instant notifications to your phone. Built-in two-way talk and a smart siren allow direct communication and effective deterrence. Dual storage options include microSD support and a free 7-day rolling cloud storage. Accessible via the Fondale app, it's a seamless, smart, and aesthetically pleasing solution for modern home security. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.